We are breaking updates now coming in. The Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla has sent a strong message to the MPs ahead of the monsoon session, cautioning against the disruptions in the House. He urged the members to engage in constructive debate rather than causing disturbances, emphasizing the need to protect the dignity of the Parliament. The Speaker also, in fact, called for a focus on development and progress during the session. So it's an important message that has come in from the Lok Sabha Speaker, because he has appealed to the MPs. We can have discussions, but we must ensure the smooth functioning of the Parliament. Here's his message. We've translated it. It says the fifth session, the monsoon session of the 18th Lok Sabha, is commencing today. In the sacred temple of democracy, the collective role of all representatives is extremely important for the expression of public aspirations and the protection of national interests. Before the monsoon session begins, and this is when he is urging the opposition leaders to ensure the smooth functioning, he says, I urge the leaders of all parties and honourable members to cooperate in the smooth functioning of the House, constructive discussions and healthy democratic dialogue so that we can take concrete steps towards inclusive development, social justice and economic progress. And then he goes on to say that we hope that the dignity of democracy is maintained, that the discussions can go on. Sabir Sachi continues to stay live with us. And Sabir Sachi, the Lok Sabha Speaker's message is very clear. There can be discussions, but there should be a healthy debate and the Parliament session must go on, because unfortunately, when there are disruptions and when it is called off, it is the taxpayers' money that goes down the drain.
Well, that's right, Pratibha. See, the government is very much aware of the fact that this could be a very stormy monsoon session, because the entire opposition has come together and have laid their agendas, and they in fact want that the central government should speak on these agendas which the opposition wants, and they should also have demanded that Prime Minister Narendra Modi should also speak on Operation Sindoor, as well as on the claims that has been made by Donald Trump time and again that he brokered peace between India and Pakistan. Now the message has come in from Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla, stating that it is very much important that representatives of all political parties cooperate among themselves and let the House function, because if the House functions, then all the agendas that the opposition wants can be discussed in the floor of the House and can reach to a constructive decision. Now, the appeal time and again has come in from the central government, be it Parliamentary Affairs Minister Mr. Kiran Rijiju, who yesterday only said that the government is ready to have a discussion on the Pahalgam terror attack as well as Operation Sindoor and the other agendas which the opposition wants. But the government has also cautioned that every single discussion will take place as per the rules and procedures. And for that, the opposition needs to maintain the decorum of the House. Now, if the opposition continues to protest, if they continues to raise slogans inside the House, create disruption, then the House won't be allowed. And at the end of the day, the opposition would come out and blame the central government that they did not let the House function, and there are some certain important topics that needs to have a discussion as far as the people of the country is concerned. Now, already the Congress party has started attacking Prime Minister Narendra Modi over his speech before the monsoon session commences. Now, the Congress party also raises this allegation that within 48 hours, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be travelling to another foreign country, but he has no time to visit Manipur. So clearly, the opposition right now is very much clear on their agenda, that they want discussion on their agendas, the 8 agendas which they have listed out in front of the central government.
Okay, all right. Do stay with us. We have more breaking updates coming in what seems to be a precursor to what can be expected in the Parliament. Moments ahead of the Prime Minister's address, the Congress MP Jairam Ramesh has fired a fresh salvo targeting the Prime Minister, saying it will be full of platitudes. My colleague Amita is joining us on the broadcast with the details of Jairam Ramesh's message.
Yes, Pratibha, does it said as far as when it comes to what's now expected? Will there be full cooperation or will there be logjam in the monsoon session of Parliament? This is what Jairam Ramesh of the Congress party has written, saying that very shortly the nattily dressed Prime Minister will give his usual Desh Ke Naam Sandesh through the media outside the Parliament building before the commencement of the monsoon session of Parliament. This will be full of his usual platitudes and hypocrisy. Prime Minister Modi is very rarely present in Parliament. He speaks once a year on the motion of thanks of the President's address, but this time he owes it to the country to be present when the issues of Pahalgam, Operation Sindoor, President Trump is finally taken up for discussion. 48 hours later, the super premium frequent flyer will start yet another foreign visit. The people of Manipur will have more cause for disappointment. As far as all of the issues that are now being laid bare, when it comes to the opposition, Congress is concerned, they have been, Pratibha, seeking for a direct intervention of Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
Okay, all right. Amita and Sabyasachi, thank you for joining us with those